Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I've got something special to share with you. One of my figures that I actually skipped over for a while. It came out quite some time ago, and while it might not be the flashiest release, I think it's still worth a closer look. So in this video, let's check out the 1/6 scale action figure from Alert Line, product code AL100043, based on the Soviet Airborne Forces. Sorry, my knowledge about the Soviet forces is quite limited, so I'll only be giving a general review of the product's quality. In my opinion, Alert Line did a pretty solid job in capturing the look of Soviet troops. Putting aside the overall product quality, it's clear that they have quite a bit of experience in making Soviet figures. However, as you can see, the paint on this head sculpt isn't very good. It feels like they still haven't really captured the likeness well. Details like the eyes still don't have much expression or life. The badges and medals need to be glued on during assembly. Compared to DP-28, Alert Line still hasn't made badges that can be pinned directly onto the uniform. The belt and boots are made of synthetic leather, simili, not real leather. This makes them harder to preserve and reduces their durability. Putting the material issue aside, Alert Line did quite a good job in providing a full set of accessories for the Soviet Airborne Forces. The figure comes with weapons including a DP-28 and an MP40, both made of plastic. But as we can see, when the weapons are made of plastic, they're much lighter, which actually makes it easier to pose the figure. Overall, although the quality isn't really outstanding, if you're a fan of World War II and the Soviet forces, this is definitely a figure worth having in your collection. Stay tuned for my upcoming videos where I'll be sharing more new figures.